Let's see how to insert airplane symbol in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that you want to insert an airplane symbol in your document. So what you can do is head on over to the Insert tab and click on Symbol right here at the end. Now click on More Symbols to open the entire array of different symbols that you can insert into your document. Now, here, change the font to Wingdings and simply look for your airplane symbol right here, which is this one. Now, when you click Insert, that should automatically add into your document right there. Now, if you prefer to add a graphic or an icon, you can also choose to insert an icon right here. Now, click Search for Airplane. And let's go ahead and insert our icon right there, to which you can also resize or rotate, basically treat it as a picture if you want to. And as you can see, we now have two very similar airplanes right there. And that is how you can insert an airplane symbol in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.